BIM is not just about models. It's also about process, information, and data. Continuous reliable quality control prevents costly on-site corrections. It influences project progress, accountability, and client satisfaction. In practice, quality control takes time. Without streamlined workflows, this process with multiple stakeholders sharing results and updates can be slow. Design changes can mean evolving requirements and standards, and it's a repetitive and ongoing process. BIMcollab simplifies this workflow and saves you time. Model checking. With one single rule, it handles clash detection, duplicate, and distance checking, which resolves cross-disciplinary conflicts and meets planning requirements. IDS integration. Define requirements from the start and track changes and progress throughout the project. Smart issues help you track and update conflict statuses automatically as models evolve, including model checking and IDS integration, ensuring you stay focused and on track. One more advanced tool, overnight updates. With Night Shift, smart issues update automatically while you sleep. Start your day with the latest reports and a clear focus on unresolved issues. Discover how these features can boost your model quality. Start exploring them today in your BIMcollab space and experience the difference firsthand.